Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing out here in this detailed world? Man, it is cold this morning. It is 30 degrees out here, and I am out here trying to wash a car. My fingers are frozen, and I ain't did nothing but do the wheels. Man, it is cold. Even though it feels good out here, I mean, it don't feel good out here. It look like it look good out here.
It will turn into sunshine.
It's nice and sunny, but right now we at the first stop. We doing this Chevy Silverado right here. You know, it's just gonna be a maintenance clean. It's not that dirty in the inside. The outside a little dirty because I rarely clean his car. I'm always cleaning his wife's car. But it's a pretty nice truck. We got a few stops today, so today I'm gonna try my best to move a little bit fast, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to move that fast when it's this cold. Like, I mean, my hands are freezing, and all I did was those two wheels. I haven't done nothing more, and my hands are cold. But like I say, this is that Chevy Silverado. It's a Trail Boss Z71. It's today Monday? Yeah, it's Monday. We already in the new year. It's like January 8th today. No, today is 10th. Jesus Christ, this is flying. But yeah, we go see what Rennie got going on this morning. See what he got. What's the word of the day? Rennie, what's the word of the day today, man?
How y'all doing? The word of the day is helpful. That's the word for the day.
Be helpful.
Be helpful.
All right, be helpful. Well, I want y'all to help hit that subscribe button, help hit that like, help hit them comments, and definitely help hit that share button. And help me out here. I need some hot cocoa because it's cold, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it knocked out, and I'll see y'all in a second. All right. We finished this Chevy Silverado right here. Completely finished it in and out. It's completely clean. Windows, wheels. So like I said, it was just a maintenance wash. But it's completely clean in the interior. The whole interior is completely clean. Seats, windows. So, everything nice and clean. It's nice and clean all around. But we headed to the next stop, which is not too far from here. I think we all together, we got 3 more stops after this. So, like I said, we just finished this Chevy Silverado. Completely done. Got a little icy out here. All right, man, we back at it like always out here in Green Hills doing this Volvo XC90. I know you've probably seen this car about 4 or 5 times already, but you know, consistency is the key. You know, consistency is what makes life work at its best. You know what I mean? You're consistently doing something, that means you're doing something good. So, hey, just be more than happy and be grateful for the things you got. You know, Rennie said the word today is helpful. Well, today I'm gonna help her keep her car clean. You know, today I'm gonna help get them wheels clean, and then she gonna help me fill up my water tank. But other than that, we just out here getting it in. We just finished this car. I didn't get any pre-shots prior to because I was trying to hurry up. Hands was extremely cold. All we gotta do is just dry it off, do the windows, shine the tires, and then we completely done. Got 2 more stops we got 2 more stops today. And then we'll be completely done with this beautiful Monday. Like, once again, the sky is clear. I don't see one cloud in the sky.
It would turn into sunshine.
So that's a good thing. But once again, I always appreciate everybody, man, and be helpful with hitting them shares, them subscribes, them likes, and leave a comment. And I'll catch up with y'all once we're done with this car. All right, what's up? Now, right now, I use water, even though they say perfect glass. I usually just use water to clean windows, because if you look, come look how smudgy this window is right here. You know what I mean? If I went to use chemicals on here, all they do is take those chemicals and just smear it around. So I just use plain water, just give it a slight mist. I go back and back and forth motion. Oh, and then I turn the towel around to give it like a good just buffing and get all the little extra residue that the water may left, or if the towel may have any residue, because you know I use the same towel a few times wiping the window, so I may pick up some of the dirt from previous, like you see how dirty it is on the inside. Like I say, give it a light mist. Getting these corners real good. Sometimes I let the window down to get at the top of these windows, because sometimes the top of these windows be dirty, but I ain't doing it today. But like I say, it's just how I usually clean the windows. I know I saw on a TV show, the lady was snapping on the dude about cleaning the windows. She's like, you don't know how to clean the windows, idiot, you're supposed to do it in a circle. So I thought that's how you really supposed to clean windows, but you know, it's basically just having this clean towel, good product. You know, some people use window cleaner and certain things like that, streak free. Like when I bought it, it was some great products, but I noticed as I did certain cars that may got tint, it didn't work as well. So like I said, I just filled it up with water. I already did this side. I come give a good glimpse of this window. Look how clean that window is. You remember how the window was? It had all those streaks and everything in it, but now the window is crystal clear, just like this ain't perfect glass. But like I say, just use some water. If anybody in the detail world is having a hard time finding any good products, just use water and find some good microfiber towels. Don't use terry cloth, because terry cloth leaves lint on the window, so find some good microfiber towels. I get these microfiber towels from Home Depot. And some other microfiber towels that I use, but they come from actually a chemical company, so your company may not have the same supplies. But once again, like I said, that was just a quick tutorial on how I clean windows. But I appreciate everybody today, and you know, have a blessed day. All right. We just finished this Volvo XC90. It's nice and clean, nice and shiny. Like I said last time, we did the car need a wax job. Hopefully I can convince you to get one. Maybe the next 2 washes. You know, definitely need it. But everything's clean. Car's totally clean inside and out. Can't complain. He's definitely gonna be happy like always. The windows are sparkling, crystal clear. Interior good. It's a little mocha color. Interior. Back, you got a mink right there. That mink, that chinchilla. Yeah, we just finished this car. Gonna head to the next stop. Good afternoon. We just made it to the 3rd stop. We out here doing this Tesla. Rennie about to go ahead and drop on that inside. Rennie, what's good today, man?
Hey, a lot of work going on today. How y'all doing?
All right, man. Over there, a lot of work to translate to something else. Yeah, we just doing this Tesla right now. Don't look like it was that bad in the inside, but I didn't really look. But never know with these cars. Look, them peanuts. They love nuts.
Got it. Got it.
Tesla. Look at that Tesla. Yeah, it's a little dirty in here today, but we're gonna knock it out. All right. We made it to the last stop, the 4th car. We're finna do this YUKON DENALI GMC. Just finna do a basic maintenance wash on it, basic on the interior and exterior. I'm not sure how bad it looks. Hopefully it's not that bad. I haven't did her car in a few months because she just moved into this new house. Yeah, the car pretty stay clean because of these WeatherTech mats. I actually got WeatherTech mats in my car, so you know, seats don't look that bad. The doors don't look that bad. It's a little dirt in there, you know, a little dirt like that. But other than that, it's the basic. Finna go ahead and hurry up and knock it out because it's pretty chilly out here. Front seat a little dirty. It's a little dirty up here, but gonna get it cracking. But yeah, man, like I said, we at the last stop right now. Finna knock this out. The temperature already dropping because we in the shade, so So that's that one thing about working out here in the wintertime, trying to get the car clean before cold kick in. So once the cold come, ain't nothing you can really do. Like this morning at the first stop, the driveway was actually icing up. I slipped a few times. Luckily I didn't fall, but if I would have failed, I would have hurt. At this age, I don't think I can recover. Excuse me, I don't think I can recover at this age like I used to. But like I said, we finna go ahead and knock this GMC YUKON Denali out. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the exterior, really gonna do the interior, and then we done for the day. And I appreciate everybody. Definitely hit that subscribe button. All right. We just finished this last car, this GMC YUKON Denali. Basically, just did a maintenance wash and a basic maintenance clean in the inside. She gonna come out and check it out in a minute, but car's thoroughly clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put these mats back in here. Yeah, we'll put these mats back in here. But yeah, car's done. We finna head home. We actually done for the day. And I appreciate everybody as always. It's day 46. We got work tomorrow, so you know, continuously gonna keep going, and eventually the vlog gonna continue even when I'm not working. But until then, this is Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I appreciate everybody. And y'all stay focused. The vlog of a detailer.